while you come across something that really gives you that feeling about really nice, you know, it's like a really nice tool. And this kit did it. Check out this kit. This is a 10-piece insulated screwdriver and plier kit from CRIPOP. Now these screwdrivers are in their own foam, and if I pull one out, they just feel, they're actually like, they're really light. And if you ever used any screwdrivers that are insulated up to 1000 volts, they are usually light. I'm not sure why, but I think it's because of this material that's in here, but they feel really good. And there's another brand out there that makes them that kind of looks like this, that are like, you can't even touch them. They're so much more, you know, moolah. But for the price, these are really, really nice screwdrivers. So if I look here, I have all the different heads, okay? I have a flat head, and I have Phillips head, and another flat head, and a Phillips head. And they all go into their own little spot. I'm actually gonna pull them out of these carrying cases and put them in my toolbox. But then we also have, geez, look at this. We also have these that are also in foam. We have 4 sets of pliers. So you have your strippers, you have your needle nose that are cutters as well. You also have these side cutters as well. I mean, look at these. They even have a crimping tool down there. I mean, these, and they feel really good. This would be very good, a very good gift for somebody. And then you also have your side cutters as well. So these are also very nice tools. I'm just really, really impressed with them. As soon as I got them, I took a picture of them and sent them to my buddies. The carrying cases do clip together, kind of like a pack out. So if you want to, you know, put them all together and carry them with you, they clip together. You can take the handle off if you want and permanently attach it, or you can put them together like this. And then they snap together with these locks on the side, like, you know, every other pack out system. So these are really nice. I definitely highly suggest them, and very, very happy with them. Take a closer look. These are 1000 volt insulated up to. Extremely nice screwdrivers with a nice kit and the foam.